Nvidia is one of the leading manufacturers of high-performance graphics cards. Although the organization builds excellent items, certain issues may arise, which we will discuss today. In this video, we'll help you fix the Nvidia screen tearing issue. Screen tearing is a sort of graphic distortion that happens when the video input to the computer is out of sync with the monitor's refresh rate. When the graphics card is stressed, it may be unable to keep up with the refresh rate of the display, resulting in one part of the screen being drawn in one frame and the remainder of the screen being drawn in another. If this happens for a few frames, a vertical line will appear on the screen. You might try using a different resolution on your PC to match the maximum refresh rate of your display. Here's what you can do. Press the Start button, type resolution in the search bar and open the Display Settings application. In Settings, browse down to the end of the page and select Advanced Display Settings. Another window will appear showing all the details of your display. Select the option Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Your hardware properties will pop up. Click on List all modes present in the tab Adapter. You will see a list of different resolutions present on the screen. Change them according to your hardware specifications and after press OK each time. Check if they make a difference. Restart your computer. The VSync application may be able to resolve the issue of screen tearing. Turn this functionality on and see whether the problem remains. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. Go to 3D Settings, then Manage 3D Settings. Click on Global Settings tab present at the right side of the screen and click on Vertical Sync. You can turn it either on or off depending on what setting it is on right now. Save changes and exit. Related settings, game mode and full screen optimization may help to resolve Nvidia screen tearing. You can turn them off and see if that will fix your problem. Type settings in the search box and open the application. In the settings, click on the gaming. Click on game bar present at the left side of the navigation bar and turn the option Record Game Clips, Screenshots, and Broadcast using game bar off. Select your computer. In case the issue persists, then proceed with the following steps. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Click on Compatibility and check the option Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Press Apply to save changes and exit. Restart your computer. If the previous steps fail to address the problem, you should update your graphics driver. Type dev.ngnt.msc in the run box and click the OK button, which should open the Device Manager window. Expand the Display Adapters field. This will list all network adapters that the machine has installed. Right-click on the Nvidia adapter you want to uninstall and select Uninstall. Click OK when prompted to uninstall the device. This will remove the adapter from the list and uninstall the driver. Download the latest Nvidia driver for your computer by going to Nvidia's official website. Run the setup file and follow the instructions which appear on screen. Choose the custom installation option and check all the boxes in the custom install options windows. Also check the box which states perform clean install. Restart your computer. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.